Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. In today's session we will see some hotkeys or some shortcut keys of Autodesk AutoCAD so that we can pace up our work and do the work in an easier manner. First, here we have some quick keys like we can press Q for quick save, we can use A for arc, Z for zoom. Similarly, we can use C for circle, F for fillet, and so on. All of these keys are right in front of you and you can have a better look on them. Next we have some toggle general features like Ctrl D is to toggle coordinate display, Ctrl G is to toggle grid, Ctrl E for cycle isometric planes. Then to toggle drawing modes, we can use F1 for display help, F2 to toggle text screen, F3 to toggle object snap mode, and so on. For management screen, we have to use some control keys like Control 0 is to clean screen, Control 1 is for property palette, Control 2 is for design center palette, and so on. To manage workflow, we can use Control C to copy an object, Control X to cut, and Control V to paste an object. And similarly, we have a few more manage workflow shortcut keys. To manage drawings, we can use Ctrl N for a new drawing, Ctrl S to save drawing, and Ctrl O to open drawing. And similarly, we have a few more keys to manage the drawings. Now we have some hotkeys from A to Z. Here you can see keys for A, B, and C. You can use A for arc, double A for area, ADC for ADC Center. It actually manages and inserts content such as blocks, X references, and hatch patterns. Then for B, we can use block. For BC, we can use the closing of block editor, BE for opening the block definition in the block editor, and so on. Then we have C for circle, CAM for camera, C bar for constraint bar, and so on. So in this way, we will go from ABC to D key. In D we have D for dimension style, DAN for creating an angular dimension, DAR to create an arc length dimension, and so on. You can see all of these commands for D. Next we have E and F. E is for erase and F is for fillet, and all other are right in front of you. Then for G we can use for the grouping, H can be used for hatching, I can be used to insert, and J can be used to join. Other combinations are also right in front of you so you can have a look and get a better understanding. Like L can be used for line and M can be used to move. These two would be mostly used throughout the project. Then we have O to offset and OS for OSnap. It sets the running object snap modes. Then we have P to pan, and we have QC for quick calculation, and we have QVL to display preview images of model space and layouts in a drawing. R can be used to redraw. It actually refreshes the display in the current viewport. Then we have keys like S. They are used for stretching. They actually stretch the object crossed by a selection window or a polygon. Then we can use the key T for creating a multi-line text object. Then we can use UC to manage defined user coordinate system. We can use V for view shortcut key. We can use X to explode and then Z key to zoom. At the end, you can see there are some stickers or cutout keys, so you can cut them out and then place them on your keyboard. You can start by seeing at them, but after some time you will manage to get a muscle memory and you will automatically redirect your fingers to that specific command whenever required. So you can find this file in PDF format along with this video tutorial. I will not recommend you to learn all of these shortcuts by heart at this stage. They are just to pace up your work. The more you use them, the better you will get at them. Let's call it the day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.